Life 1. Day in Life 1. And we're on our way to Winter Snitches.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good right now.
Yeah, it's the first.
I wonder who's
First
gonna come.
Look
came to visit.
Look who came to visit.
Me.
Alright, you ready?
On our way to Winter Snitches. Finally got here, Winter Snitches. Gonna order some stuff. What do you got to say? Alright. Just order some. Pretty good. Alright.
What'd you order? I just see your receipt.
Right.
1 bacon, chili cheese fries, 1 medium Pepsi. So, yeah. That's what you got?
Pretty bomb, Mountain Dew. Alright, we just got our food. And this is mine. Pretty bomb.
Sharing your food?
Pretty bomb.
Yeah. So, this is what I got. Corn dog. They're pretty good. Then, some fries too.
Ain't good.
So, I'm gonna be leaving in a bit because I gotta go to a party. I'm 12, so I can't stay. Yeah. See you guys in the next day in the life.
You get 2 samples.
Make it rain. Fries.
Drop your fries all over the place.
I'm still here, but I'm leaving later.
I'm finishing.
It's pretty good. It's big and fat.
I'm the fat one. I made all this, man.
You put that lady on YouTube. You're gonna show up on YouTube. You're gonna be famous.
The hot dog. I'm gonna take a deep down inside in the fry. I don't know. That's downtown now. It's pretty good. It's a pretty nice wiener.
Who's the worst one of skating here? Me.
Yeah, sure, you can fucking kickflip. You can't kickflip.
I almost got my kickflip.
I scoot. I scoot.
Just kidding, guys.
I scoot.
He scoots. He's still our best friend.
Yeah.
I skate.
I actually have skaters that support me. How nice is that? Having good friends, not like fake as motherfucker.
Alright, later. Next day in live,
Buy
right?
some bitches in a party, fool.
We just got to the spot. And what do you have to say?
I'm about to make this fool do this gap for $5.
Yeah. This is Gab. $5. I have to do it first try. If I don't do it first try, then I lose. But let's see what happens, right? First try. Get my money, bitch.
Fucking ass.
Our first try, dude.
Your $5, motherfucker.
Fuck you. Alright. Alright, I know that was kind of sketchy, but I got that trick. Alright. So, now we're just gonna go to the next spot. Probably gonna skate there for a bit. Yeah, so that's it. See you guys in another spot.